In this video, I'm going to show you how to run YouTube ads to promote your music. My name's Manifest. I'm a rock and hip hop artist, and this is my YouTube channel. We currently have 68,000 subscribers, hoping to hit 100K soon. And I'm going to be setting up an ad to promote and sell my music. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to AdWords, ads.google.com, and then you want to click on Create New Campaign. The next thing you're going to want to do is I'm going to do website traffic because I want to get people off of YouTube and on to my website so I can sell my music. And then I'm going to do a video ad, okay? And I am going to click continue. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to name my campaign, and I'm going to call this album download because I'm going to be selling my album download. And the next thing I'm going to do is I don't have a target CPM. I'm just going to leave that maximize conversions. My daily budget for this is going to be $15 to start. I'm going to start only in the United States for now. As far as networks, I am only going to do YouTube. I do not want partners on the display network. I'll get into that in another video. Next thing, excluded types and labels. I always uncheck embedded and live streams. I also, under additional settings, I like to do as far as devices, I like to exclude, all devices except for TV screens, okay? Because I don't want my ad to run on TV. I want create skippable in-stream ads, those ones that show up, those 5-second ads. The name of this group I'm going to do is keywords, rock bands. All right, so, and then as far as my audiences, age and demographic, I do not want 18 to 24. I want to go a little older because I'm hoping they have more money to spend. And then, of course, keywords, okay? What are people searching and who do I want to see my ads? Well, I want bands that sound like me, okay? And I get compared. I'm a rock artist, and this is going to be a rock ad, so I'm going to do Linkin Park. I'm going to do Papa Roach. I'm going to do 3 Days Grace. I'm going to do 1,000-Foot Crutch. I'm going to do Bring Me the Horizon. How about, who else could I do that's similar to me or I get compared to? Just trying to think. I could do Limp Bizkit. There's probably some other ones I could think of, but that should be pretty awesome. Sorry, there's a dog barking in the background. The next thing I got to do is got to go, well, what's my YouTube ad going to be? Well, I've got to go to my YouTube channel. Got to click on my content where I uploaded the video that I want to promote, and it's this one right here. So I'm going to click on Get Shareable Link, copy that. I'm going to go to the video campaign, and I'm going to click Paste. And this is my YouTube ad here. But where's the final URL? Okay, because you got to put a call to action, which I'm going to put download. So when they click on download, where's that going to go? Well, I want it to go to where I'm selling my 15 albums for 25 bucks. That's the offer. I'll get into that in another video, but you have to have an amazing offer. So I'm going to paste that right there. Boom. And then the display URL will probably just be manifestshop.com. And there we go. There's my ad ready to go. That's the thumbnail. Don't know if that will play or not, but I think my targeting is all pretty solid there. And 10, 15 bucks a day, create campaign. Boom. That's how easy it is to set up a YouTube ad to promote something. Now, I could promote videos for just my music video to get my views up, but in this case, I want to get a sale. I'm actually going direct to sale, which I talk about in my Fanbase University groups. If you want questions and coaching, go to fanbaseuniversity.com. I coach artists on the 12th and 24th of every single month where you get to ask questions and you get so much training and so much content showing you how I've grown my fan base. So many artist testimonials. You get 2 monthly coaching calls plus a ton of training, okay? All these courses you get with it plus access to me twice a month, okay? So anyways, go make a YouTube ad, go promote your music, and I hope to see you on the next call. Go to fanbaseuniversity.com.